children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. So I'm back with the new topic, pronouns. What do you know about pronouns? Have you read this topic earlier in previous classes? Have you read this? Okay, fine. So एक बार फिर से रिकॉल करते हैं बच्चों, ताकि आप और अच्छे से स्ट्रॉन्गली इसमें परफेक्ट हो सके. चलिए, let's see the definition of pronoun. A word that is used in place of noun, that is called pronoun. Okay, examples: Aryan is good boy, he respects all. The teacher called Ramya and scolded her. That her and he is pronoun. In the given sentences, he and her have been used in place of Aryan and Ramya. तो हमने noun को pronoun से replace कर दिया. These words are called pronouns as they are used in place of some other words, nouns. So kinds of pronouns, देखिए कितने kind है pronoun के: relative pronoun, emphatic pronoun, reflexive pronoun, interrogative pronouns, personal pronouns, reciprocal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative, indefinite and distributive pronouns. So बच्चों ये सब pronouns आपको अभी डिटेल में सीखने को मिलने वाले हैं. Are you ready? So let's begin बच्चों with personal pronouns. Personal pronouns are pronouns that take the place of person or things. There are three types of personal pronouns: nominative pronouns or subjective pronouns. When a pronoun is used as the subject, it is said to be in the nominative case or subjective case. Objective case: when a pronoun is used as the object of the verb, it is said to be in the objective case. And possessive case: when a pronoun denotes possession, it is said to be in the possessive case. Examples देखिए: the book which you gave me is not mine. You is a subjective or nominative pronoun. Me is an objective pronoun. Mine is a possessive pronoun. The table below depicts the different forms of pronouns, singular and plural. First pronoun, first person देखिए: I, me, mine, myself, I subject, me object, possessive mine, emphatic reflexive myself, subject we, object us, possessive ours, emphatic reflexive ourself. In second person, you, yours, yourself, and in plurally it is you, yours and yourself. Okay, yourself becomes yourselves. Okay. Then in third person, he, she, it, him, her, it, his, hers, himself, herself and itself. Plural form में है they, them, theirs and themselves. Demonstrative pronouns: these pronouns are pronouns used to demonstrate or point out people or things they stand for. This house is yours, this book is better than that. Possessive pronouns: these pronouns are those pronouns that indicate possession or relation. These keys are mine, thus that scooty is yours. Indefinite pronouns: the indefinite pronouns stand for some nouns that are implied or understood. Nobody once was there to rescue the old man. Some are born great. Distributive pronouns: these pronouns are those which show that persons or things are taken one at a time or in separate groups. जैसे each of the boys, यहाँ पे हर एक बच्चे की बात हो रही है. each of the boys यानी singular was punished. either of the two girls was responsible for the ये इनमें से दोनों गर्ल्स में से किसी एक की बात हो रही है. Reciprocal pronouns: these pronouns refers to an action occurring in one direction and also back in the opposite direction. Words like each other and one another are reciprocal pronouns. The boys quarreled with one another and they blamed each other. Interrogative pronouns: words which act as substitute for nouns and ask questions are called interrogative pronouns, like whose is this, what do you want. Reflexive pronouns: these pronouns are those pronouns in which the action done by the subject reflects upon it. I hurt myself. We should take care of ourselves. Emphatic pronouns: these pronouns are reflexive pronouns which are used for emphasis. We ourselves admitted our guilt. I myself met the officer. Relative pronouns, these pronouns are pronouns used to join or phrase or clause with another in a sentence. For examples, this is the boy who topped the class and this is the house which I bought in 2010. Right? So based on that कुछ exercises हैं. Fill in the blanks with personal or possessive pronouns. Underline the pronouns and mention their kinds in the space provided. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns and in D part circle the reflexive emphatic pronouns and identify them. Combine the following sentences using a relative pronoun and fill in the blanks with suitable indefinite pronouns. Activity time. Separate the student into teams and have them race to match, pronounce words to their definitions. The first team to match them correctly wins. है ना? फन करिएगा, आप जीतिए और फन करिए. Enjoy.